Open up your terminal. I'm going to use Terminator. To list the files, you type ls, and you will see all the files in this current directory. pwd will show you where you are. pwd stands for print working directory. So now you are in this /root. In the Linux system, the slash in front means the C drive in Windows, and the root here is the administrator's home directory. In Linux, root is the administrator. To change directory, you can type cd followed by the name of the directory that you want to change to. You can just type the first few characters and press tab for command completion. For example, if you press tab now, there are two folders which starts with do. If you type doc and press tab, it will complete the rest of the name for you. Press enter to enter the directory. And if you ls now, you will find it's empty. You can create a file by typing touch file name, let's say foo. And to copy a file, you type cp, the target, the source, and the target. So now you have two files in here. If you ls, you can see them both. And then to delete, you can type rm followed by the file name. ls will now show you that the file has been deleted. To copy a file, cp, we have done that. To rename a file, you use mv foo followed by the new name. And now you ls, it will show you the new name of the file is new name. And then you can create a directory by using rmdir followed by the new directory name. Sorry, it should be make directory, new directory name. Then to remove the directory, you type rmdir new directory. For example, if you have a file called test.sh, normally when the file is got a sh at the back, it is an executable file. Okay, let's say you create a file test.sh and you type ls-l for long listing. The -l means long listing. It shows you whether the file is a directory or a file. If it's directory, there's a D in front. If it's a file, there's a dash in front. So this is a file. This is a file. This is a directory. So if you wanted to make this directory executable, we use chmod followed by ugo plus x followed by the file name. Enter. If you now type ls-l, you will see now this thing has changed. Earlier on it was rw dash r dash dash r dash dash. Now it is rwx r dash x r dash x. What is different is that the x has been added. So the x means executable. So that means this file is now executable. Okay, next thing you need to know is moving. MV rename file. MV can also use to move files. For example, you can move this file test.sh to the temp directory. And then now if you list the temp directory, you will find the test.sh file over there. Now to go back to your home directory, you can type cd, enter without any parameter, and you can test and see. pwd now shows you are back in the home directory. If you wanted to change directory, then you will put the name of the destination directory that you want to change to. Now with pwd, you'll find you are in the temp directory. Let's go home. Type cd, enter. Other useful command would be ifconfig. ifconfig will show you your network interface cards. In this case, it shows you have a loopback network adapter with the address 127.0.0.1 and you have a wireless LAN. That means a Wi-Fi adapter, and the IP is this IP, and the other things you can see would be your MAC address, which is this one here under Ether. If you have more than one Wi-Fi network adapter, it will show up as WLAN 1. WLAN 0 is the first one, WLAN 1 is the second one. Now, if you wanted to list all the processes running, you can type PSAX and you can see all the processes running. Now, let's open another terminal. If I wanted to kill this process terminator, this one here, I need to get the process ID, which is 2116. The first column is the process ID. PID, process ID. So I get the process ID first for the process that I want to kill, and then I type the command kill -9 followed by the ID, process ID 2116, and I press enter, and it will kill the process, which is the terminator process. Another way to kill a process is by the name. Let me open this again, terminator. Now if I wanted to kill this terminator program, I can type kill all terminator, press enter, and it will kill it as well. So I think that is all for this lesson. Thank you very much for watching.